Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to talk about how you'll use Gemini in your day-to-day life. So suppose as you are a developer, then how you'll take the help of Gemini to do code faster, right? So how you'll get the help. So that steps which I'll explain here. So before going to explain all these things, so you need to set up if you are using any IDE, whatever IDE you are using, but you have to set up the Gemini need to enable with your development ID and environment. Then other than that, you can see this icon should be in place. And what other thing, you have to connect with your project. And on the right hand side, as you can see, that Gemini icon should be in place. If all these three is completely set it up, then you can able to write the code easily instead of writing manually the codes. For example, I want to write a code to create a GCS bucket Terraform code. So how I will get the help of Gemini? I'll instead of writing all these code, so how I will get the code? So let me show you. For example, uh, to create GCS bucket, right? To create GCS bucket, uh, just you write that code, and just you uh, complete to use like something, some the prompt, whatever the prompt you are using, that should be valid to create a GCS bucket with a Terraform code, right? As you can see, the suggestion is coming here. And now what I'll do, instead of writing the code, what I'll do, just accept the code, right? So now this code is already ready for me to create a bucket. Similarly, suppose I'll get some help, some other suggestion is coming to show the output also, you can take. And then as you can see, suppose I want to create a website with the help of Flash framework, then Python Flash framework, then how the code would be. So this is one of the sample code which I just help of Gemini, so I can get all these code instead of writing manually. So you can get the help of Gemini to write a code. So I mean, this will be super productive in the code writing faster. And also if you want to test the code, so the suppose you want to test the code, you just click on then the click on unit test. So it will write a unit test code. As you can see, you can also test code, we can test, right? So the other area, like suppose I want to Python code I want to test also, so that I can do. So a couple of options here, as you can see. So that option to echo Gemini generate a code, Gemini generate unit test, right? So click on unit test, so it will again, it will similarly like Python test, Terraform test, so it will generate a code for the your code testing as well. So how quickly we are getting the help from the Gemini to write a code, to test the code. So I mean, it's a super fast and time saving. And if you know a little bit more about the coding, so you can super fast, you'll write the code, test the code, and deploy the code faster in the production. So I hope this video will be helpful to how we get help from Gemini to write the code, whether it is Terraform, Python, any programming language. So you can code, get help from the Gemini, but you need to set up your development environment properly so that you can get help from the Gemini to write the code, test the code, deploy the code. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more video like this. Thank you. Bye bye.